This brand is made in America by Daikin Comfort Technologies Manufacturing LP, which is a part of Daikin Industries Limited. All of the units feature louvered metal panel construction with a powder-coated finish for durability and to protect the condenser coil from mechanical damage. They have variable speed blowers for quiet and efficient operation, as well as all aluminum evaporator coils which resist corrosion. They feature durable stainless steel heat exchangers and can easily be field converted for either downflow or horizontal installations. The brand is only sold through their dealer network in the USA, and all of the units use direct spark ignition, which is not as reliable as brands that use hot surface ignition. The units are backed by a good guarantee, but it does not include unit replacement in case of compressor or heat exchanger failure. The APGM3 model combines a basic single-stage 13.4 SEER 2-efficient air conditioner with a single-stage 81% AFUE gas furnace, while the APGM5 units have a two-stage compressor with 15.2 SEER cooling efficiency and a two-stage 81% efficient gas furnace. The APD3M model is a dual-fuel packaged gas furnace with a 13.4 SEER 2 cooling efficiency, a 6.7 HSPF 2 heating efficiency for the heat pump, and a two-stage 81% AFUE gas furnace. The brand does not offer a model that qualifies for the HvacRepairGuy Ultimate category. This brand receives an overall 4-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.